Are you still taking screenshots manually? What if Python could capture screenshots automatically? Yes. Instead of taking screenshots using print screen and open paint, and save and control S, save, give name and save. Instead of doing this manually like this, we can automate using Python. Yes, in this video I will show you how to take screenshots automatically using Python. Don't miss any part of this video, watch till the end. If you do manually like using print screen and opening paint and saving, what if we need to take multiple screenshots, that will take a lot of time. But Python can automate this entire process in a second. To do that, we need one library called PyAutoGUI. Install if this library is not installed in your system using the command pip install PyAutoGUI. After installation, import PyAutoGUI library. Take the screenshot using screenshot function and save the taken screenshot by giving a name. I am giving screen.png here and print a message, screenshot captured successfully. We'll run the script. Come to command prompt. I'm in documents folder now. My file name is screenshot.py. So type py screenshot.py, screenshot.py, hit enter. Yes, message printed, screenshot captured successfully. Screenshot captured successfully. Let's come to documents. Come to documents. Date modified. Can you see screen.png? Open this. It's taking time. Yes, it's opening. Can you see the screenshot is captured here? Yes. If you want more Python automation scripts that saves lots of hours, subscribe to my channel Automation with Geeta. Thank you.